কি কৰি আছ? লিফ্ট ভাঙিবি নেকি তই?
আঙুলিৰে চুব নাপায় লিফ্টকেইটা।
লজিক চব দিবি এইবিলাক।
ले ले पूरा एंगल से ले ले।
ओए होए डॉक्टर वाला फीलिंग आ रहा है कि नहीं?
पूरा ये सर्जरी करने का मन कर रहा है।
आई एम नॉट अ पेशेंट ब्रो, डोंट लुक एट मी। Hello everyone, back to a new vlog, and I really know that this happens to be very late that I've been vlogging out for something, because I was so caught up in my job and some other stuff at the same time. I couldn't even make my time out for this, vlogs and other kind of stuff. So, and today, to be honest, it was totally unexpected, totally unplanned until the last week. The last weekend I'd say, because we haven't planned that we'd be going back home pretty soon, because it has hardly been 2 months that I'm back to Chennai. Now everyone knows the pandemic and everything, the situation that has shown up so far. No other options other than coming back home. Even my parents were insisting, although I was totally certain that I won't be coming back, but I had to change my decision anyway. So I'll be leaving from here. We've got a flight in next, almost 20 minutes or so. We'll be landing in Kolkata after 3 hours. Then we have got our layover for 6 hours or so. Then the next flight from Kolkata will be at 5 o'clock or something, and we'll be landing out there in Guwahati at around 7:15 or 7:30. Then again we have got our COVID test to be done. I hope उधर पे कोई positive का scene ना हो, because if something positive shows up, then I have to stay back there itself. So I hope everything goes well, and I hope you all have been doing pretty well at your place, wherever you are, and whatever you have been doing. Just make sure you keep wearing a mask, keep taking protection for yourself, and stay safe, stay healthy, wherever you are. Just take precautions properly. And moreover, Ritik is also with me. This happens to the first time that he will be flying with me. So that is it. I'll meet you directly in Kolkata itself. Till then, see ya. So we are already here at Kolkata. So I thought we would be landing here somewhere near 12, but थोड़ा जल्दी पहुंच गए।
दाम देख रहे हैं हर चीज़ का, कहाँ खा सकते हैं।
पॉकेट में कितना तेरे पास?
नहीं पता भाई।
काउंट भी नहीं करना है?
नहीं करना है, शर्म आता है, खुद से ही शर्म आता है, खुद को ही शर्म।
गरीब लोग, we can't help it. So you gotta bear with us for next 6 hours, right?
Yeah, 6.5 hours.
6.5 hours, and that 6.5 hours will be taking you all around.
তই কাম নকৰ, তই এয়াৰপৰ্ট ৰিভিউৰ বনি যা।
সেইটোৱে হৈ আছে হয় নাই মোৰ লগত। লাষ্ট টাইম আহিছোঁ চেন্নাইত, মই 2টা ব্লগ বনাইছোঁ। এটা আমি ডিমাৰ্ট গৈছিলোঁ, তাৰপিছত আৰু এটা কেতিয়া বনাইছিলোঁ? নাই বনোৱা। নাই, তাৰপিছত বনোৱাই নাই। মুনাৰ ব্লগ বনালোঁ। তাৰপিছত নেক্সট এদিনাখন ওলাই গৈছিলোঁ ব্লগ বনাবলৈ। বাট দ্য থিং ইজ ডেট একো নহ'লে, আন্ধাৰ হৈ গ'ল। যি প্লেন কৰিছিল একো নহ'লে। बैठना ही है क्या? बैठना ही है क्या? You wanna sit or you wanna roam around? So let's go. Let's get. कहाँ 10 रुपए का चाय पीते थे?
आज कितनी बेच दी?
कोपाएगी से लग डायलॉग कहाँ कितनी बेच दी फुल। अभी अच्छे से चाय वाय पी लिए हैं। We drank all the tea. drank all the tea.
ऑल द टी
All
इतना
the
पैसा
tea.
में तो ऑल द टी ही होना चाहिए था
हाँ.
एयरपोर्ट में जितना टी है था
But unfortunately, we are offered only only a cup.
एक कप
एक cup. वो भी कितना लिया?
सीधा नहीं था 13 रुपये का कप
13 रुपये का कप था. वो भी लेके आते आते इधर तक पहुँचते ठंडा ही हो गया.
মই ভাবিছিলোঁ অলপ চাহৰ দাম থাকিব অলপ ইমান দাম দি কিনিছোঁ অলপ দেৰিলৈ গৰম থাকিব বুলি ভাবিছিলোঁ
So what's next? अभी क्या करना है?
আৰু অলপ ঠগ খাব যাওঁ ক'ৰবাত
ঠগ খাব যাওঁ. এক্সপ্ল'ৰ নকৰা ভাল নেকি? দ্য মোৰ উইল এক্সপ্ল'ৰ দ্য মোৰ উইল স্পেণ্ড. নে কি কওঁ?
কমিছে ইয়ে বিচনা বিচাৰিম মই বিচনা
বিছনা বিচাৰিম এতিয়া. বিছনা বিচাৰিম
বিচনা বিচাৰিব লাগিব আৰু IPL চাবি নেকি
IPL.
তুমি নাচাও দি
মোৰ IPL ইমান চখ নাই.
মোৰো নাই
Tomorrow night. You can see number of people out here today. It's very less. I already told you can actually count them in your fingertips. Really feeling like a ghost town or something. And what else you could expect at this moment of time? Everybody is scared to come out of the place. And moreover, these are the places very vulnerable to all these things, you know. Tell me, Ritik, what you have got for the snack? Wow.
Moberg
Ki?
This is a burger
Say it once more. What is that?
This is a burger without patty These are momos inside
Okay. Are these momos inside?
Yep I'm gonna eat it You're not gonna get one single bite
Neither am I expecting.
You expected
Huh?
You asked for a bite
When did I?
Few minutes back
When did I?
When we were asking for this seat the same time
Really?
Remember asking for this seat
Don't blabber too much or else I'll
Remember
have the
asking for
whole
the
of it.
ये खकवा ले रहा है खाना अपना रात का 4 बजे इसको लगा है
सुबह
भूख।
का 4 बजे.
रात हो सुबह हो अंधेरा हो रहा है सेम थिंग
दुखन समझ दिसे को.
हम मुझे दे
तुक समझ क्या लगा? तुम
मैं
burger
लगा.
खावी ना. You are having Moberg. What is this? Moberg.
Look at the texture
Moberg. And this was totally unfortunate. Just by looking at the trees, I just assumed that we landed in Guwahati. But later on, when they announced that we again landed in Kolkata. Did you realize that we landed on Kolkata? We both were sleeping, right? Now what we are up to?
तुमको आधी रात को बताया हम कलकत्ता जा रहे हैं हाँ बताया था
हाँ आपने बताया था. मेरे को मैं पूरा नींद में था सच में.
तुमने
तो
देखा किस सो गया
हाँ मैं नींद में था तो मेरे को लगा कि
साइड का
मतलब
जो वॉल है ना येलो रेड गुवाहाटी का वॉल भी ऐसा ही है
हाँ.
ठीक क्या होना फ्लाइट पूरा इसी यू टर्न लिया हाँ वापस
And this is home, Assam. Doesn't matter from where you step in, but the moment you step down on this land, you'll be mesmerized by everything it has to offer. The land, the air, and the aromas in it, really magical. Although it was not too long that I left, but yes, every time I get back, it's a whole lot of different feeling together.
So this is all for today, with the hope of meeting you all pretty soon with a new vlog. I'm ending this vlog here itself. Till then, make sure you keep supporting, and before you leave, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet. Do comment down your opinion in my comment section so that we can grow together. So until next time, take care, bye bye, and stay safe.